What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. Alright guys, in this video, it's not going to be so much as a how-to, but more just a recap with some quick notes on how to make DIY side splitters for your C5 Corvette. Realistically, this can work on probably any car that you're trying to make side splitters for, as long as it's pretty flat and you have enough mounting surface space. But you can figure it out on your own. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching as always. Thank you. All right, guys, first you're gonna get your material and you're gonna cut it to length. You're gonna wanna get at least 8 feet and you can cut it down. Next, you're gonna wanna cut it, curve it, and shape it to whatever design you want. Now you're gonna mark your 2 body screws. I used orange nail polish to put on the screw heads to mark on the boards. You can use white paint. I'm using bricks I had laying around the house to mount it up and get a final view before paint. As you see, you're going to use the smooth finish side facing up, textured side facing the pavement. Overall, I want it simple, subtle, and clean. This is the bottom of the board. You see the textured side. This has been plasti dipped with 4 or 5 coats, and you can see I cut out for the jacking locations. So here is where I plasti dipped the tops. As you can see, the back side underneath the car, I did not go too extra heavy to allow room for the tape. All right, guys, here I used the 3M body molding tape and used the bricks and some shims to just hold it while it cured. Let it sit for about an hour or 2. There's no need to rush this step and drive it right away. Leave yourself some time so the tape cures. I'll, of course, finish this off with some stainless self-tapping screws and stainless washers just for added peace of mind. I was after subtle, clean, effective, stylish, and, of course, affordable. And also now, if you break one of these, you might have an afternoon of work to fix it, but you're not going to be out hundreds of dollars. And guys, enjoy the finished product. Thanks for watching as always. If you haven't, please like, subscribe, throw a thumbs up, throw some comments. Until the next video, thank you.